Hi friends, today we are doing a virtual inspection of a 2011 Skoda Superb 1.8 TSI petrol manual with sunroof. It's a single-hand driven, doctor-owned, 58,000 kilometers done luxury sedan. The insurance of the car has recently expired in the month of March, so you'll have to renew the insurance. This is the virtual walk around or the exterior walk around of the vehicle, where you can see how the car looks from outside. So there are no major scratches, no dents on the vehicle. The body line and the color is absolutely original. There's no accidental damage to the vehicle whatsoever. There are minor scratches which are visible above the wheels. If you see the wheel arch on the rear wheel, you'll see a minor scratch. There's a minor crack on the rear right side tail lamp, but that's on the show side of the tail lamp. So if you see, there's no moisture or dust in the tail lamp where the functionality happens. So the tail lamp is absolutely clear. The rear profile of the car is absolutely clean. There's no damage. There's no dent or any kind of logo missing or anything like that. However, the front logo is missing. Skoda logos usually get stolen, so I'll install a new logo and give you. And this is the left side of the vehicle, I'm sorry. So if you see, there's no dent, no scratch on the left side of the car as well. The tires of the car are almost 75 to 80%. Taking you closer to the tire, so you can see how the tires are. The tires are almost 80%. There is no bubble or there's no crack on the tire wall. So this is the left side of the car, which is absolutely clean. The body line is fabulous. The headlamp is clean, no moisture, no puncture, no damage. This front logo is missing, which I'll install and give you. And the right side fog lamp clip is broken, so from the top, if you see, the fog lamp is a little loose, so I'll fix that and give you. So this is how the exterior of the car is. Looks beautiful, luxurious, classy. The beauty of the car is, since it's a TSI, it drives about 11 to 12 kilometers in city traffic and about 14 to 15 kilometers on highways with ease. It's a 1.8 liter petrol turbocharged engine. Now, turbocharged is something which is very rare in Indian car market with a petrol engine. So that's the beauty of the car. It performs better than a 3.6 liter V6 Honda Accord, and yet delivers much more fuel efficiency. If you even compare it to a Polo, it drives almost the same mileage in city and highways. It's long, humongous. The wheelbase is really big, so the rear passenger gets seating which is much more comfortable, much more spacious, even compared to a 7 series or a S class would be absolutely perfect, because even the S class and 7 series would not be able to provide so much of rear leg room. I'll just sit here. I'm 5 feet 10 inches tall, by the way, so when I sit here, and there's still a lot of space for me, I can keep my leg like this and sit. So I still do not touch my feet anywhere. It's absolutely free, not touching anywhere. This car comes with a electric sunroof. This is how the dashboard looks like. The glove box is damaged. It's broken from the hinges, so I've kept it in the boot, so I can fix it permanently, or else you can buy a new glove box and install it. What you see in the center is the touchscreen infotainment display from Skoda. Below that is the automatic climate control console. There are steering mounted audio controls and a Bluetooth phone connectivity available in the vehicle. This is how the seat condition is. The car is parked at my residence, so it is not yet cleaned from inside and outside, but the car is beautiful. There's no damage or there's no color fading that has happened to it. This is the rear seat of the car. which is absolutely clean. There's no damage to the seat. We'll now go to the front. I'll start the car and show you the dials, also the functionality of the sunroof and other things in the vehicle. So we'll first close the door, insert the key and start the engine. Then we go to the climate control because it's too hot now in Bombay, so the AC needs to be absolutely perfect. Okay, so the air conditioning is on. It has started the cooling effect already. This is the console where you control your cabin lights and sunroof from. So I'll just open the sunroof and try to show you how it works. The sunroof is now open. Now I'm closing the sunroof. So that's how the sunroof opens and closes. We'll close the shutter. Now we come to the dial. So the windscreen washer fluid is low, so that water has to be filled, and the fuel on the car is low. There's 59,000 kilometers on the odometer. And there's a light which is malfunctioning, so this is basically the lamp that you have above the number plate behind, which is probably not functioning, or the bulb is gone, or maybe some issue with that light. So there's this yellow light that you see. This is because of that. Other than that, there is no malfunction on the car. I will now start driving the car. By the way, since I'm alone right now, so even if the other seat doesn't have a seat belt engaged, there's no beep. However, if both the passengers are on the car on board, then both have to wear the seat belt, otherwise the beep continues to stay on. I'm currently driving the car. The gear shifting is fabulous since it's a joystick, not a traditional gear, so it automatically falls into the socket. The suspensions are absolutely smooth, no noise. There's no noise in the cabin. The insulation of the cabin is great. I am right now driving at a speed of 75. The car is doing a great job. It's absolutely smooth, silent, really peppy and powerful. It's a fun to drive vehicle, honestly. At a price band of 3,70,000 rupees for a 2011 single owner Skoda Superb, petrol with sunroof, 10 airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, dual climate control, electric seats, cruise control, steering mounted audio controls, touchscreen infotainment system, and this huge space is a marvelous deal. You hardly get a Honda City or a Verna Fludic petrol for this price of this make. Again, this is a single hand driven, single owner vehicle. Doctor owned car, has to be a well maintained vehicle. Minor nitbits, but that's okay. Ultimately it's a used car, not a new car. Had it been a new car, you would have paid approximately 22 lakh rupees for it. You're getting it for 3,70,000 rupees. It's a steal deal. Genuine buyers, feel free to call me on 9768-001-006. The car is available for inspection at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37 near Gurudwara. It comes back to the parking lot and the automatic headlamp automatically started. So there's automatic headlamp, automatic rain sensing wipers to the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks. Bye-bye.